I need a light or something. Like my room is naturally dark. I'm seeing easily moddable. Easily modded. Yeah. So it'll be easy to like add in new text elements, stuff like that. Um, hmm. Let's see. I think moddable is like something like that. I shouldn't be getting that wrong. I feel like that's an easy thing to do, easy thing to spell, but whatever, who cares? Um, let's see. Here you know we got the smooth jazz playing again. It's my favorite stuff right there. Um, so load character file, dialogue system. I will make a simple one today. Not too crazy. I don't think it'll take too much either. I'll say simple for now. What else? What else do we need? Let's see. I wanted to add like multiple classes, but I feel like we'll add that later instead of now. It's probably something more in the future that we can do. Thanks for the follow, brother. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Yeah, man. Wow. That notification right there is a brand new thing. Yeah, we got notifications now, man. We got a little bit more funding, you know, so we got to add a little more things to make the stream a bit better. Looking nice, by the way. Yeah, it's the default stream elements stuff, so yeah, it's pretty good. Joey, do you program at all, man? Like Go or anything like that? Okay. File manager. Maybe coding the functions to increase and slash decrease the XP, health systems like attack or defense actions. Yeah, I'm on my final year of CD. Oh wow. Okay, man. So you're getting to the point where you're gonna have to start applying for jobs and stuff. That's interesting. Yeah, but you're right, Magistrate. I need to start programming some things to like increase XP and things like that. But the thing is, since it's just like a variable, I don't know if I necessarily need a function, right? Because like I could just add XP or decrease XP whenever I need to, and it'll, you know, all I need to do is like update the UI, managers, stuff like that. This is how I kind of work with the Unity, and I'm thinking about using that style, like because I've made like games in Unity before, and I usually have a folder with just a bunch of managers that do different things to kind of organize stuff. So I might just do that. So we take my knowledge from that. Managers. Then we move player manager into managers. So now we just have a manager list. Then gonna do this. All right. So that's good now. Let's see. Also, I've been watching like a crap ton of Naruto Shippuden. I've been getting really into it lately. Alright. CD, managers, make directory. We'll do an enemy manager just for now. It's not going to do anything for it right now, but we want to have like a shop too, like a. I was thinking about making like a roguelike console game instead of like a more story-driven game, but more like there's like a tower and like levels, like Slay the Spire. I think that would be a better idea because like we want to add like a little bit of dialogue, not just like flood it with useless stories and things like that. I mean, it could be cool, but I feel like I've already done it before, so we'll just have a dialogue. I want to make sure I'm spelling that right. I feel like, let me just look it up. Dialogue. Okay, all right, here we go. Dialogue. Wait, that should be good. Okay. Just had to make sure. Manager, just to manage all the talking and stuff like that. Alright. You got a new PC recently? Yes, I did. It's a laptop. It's not like a desktop, but I've been really enjoying it. It's like a dream to develop on. It's so much better than Windows and stuff like that. I've been learning a lot about like all the operating systems and things like that, and like why certain ones are better for developers than others, you know. So I'm really glad I got invested into learning about that. Make directory. Yeah, it's a Ubuntu Acer Swift computer. So yeah, I thought about getting some other ones, but Ubuntu I've heard is like the kind of just the overall everything you kind of need one. We can add specific character storylines for the dialogue manager or pick random lines from an array. That's a good question. I'm not exactly sure yet, so yeah, we'll figure it out. But right now, it's just gonna be kind of linear in my head. That's it. That's kind of what it'll be. But I'll probably change it. I don't know if I want it to be too linear because I like the randomness aspect of like meeting random characters and like them giving you stuff. But yeah. We should probably do a settings manager too, just for the settings of everything. Like if I wanted to change something, but maybe not for now. We'll keep that because that could complicate things. I don't know. Although if I want to make something with settings, I probably need to add it before everything else. Because it's like, it's weird on certain things, but I guess we'll just bite the bullet and just redo this stuff. I probably should learn it, but I'm too lazy. But yeah. Our player. So this will just be global variables that we'll reference whenever we need to get the player stuff. assign global player variables. All right. So now we need to get the player data. Function get player. And then this will require a player. Let's do player. I need to make this a bit more simple because right here I just have players selected, but I should probably just do like player because we're not, just make it better. Player, and then we do this. And this is where we're going to get the file stuff and store it all. So, and I guess what this will do, so that saves the player stuff. Okay. Oh, wait, we have a load player. I forgot. Maybe that's different though, or maybe not. Maybe let's just put this stuff in it. Yeah, whatever. Just make it a bit more simple. Yeah, so we already have this. Okay, press character to load, and then so we gotta make it so we can select. Okay. Let's think about this real quick. If user input does not equal null or nil, then this happens. Okay. And then else fmt.print please enter a valid file name. And then fmd.scan user input or maybe we just run the function again. If we just do load player this, so it just repeats. Oh, sorry. All right. Let's write that. Okay. So we do for file range files So that'll be just each file. If user input is equal to file, which will be the file name, then we continue. So is there pass? No. Continue. Oh, yeah. Okay. This is where it knows what the user selected. So now we get the data from the file. Assign file data to global variables. And so now we got to figure out how to unpack the file. Probably using line numbers, I'm assuming. So I'm going to look this up. Let's see, reading file data, go. Printf. Okay. os.read file. That's what they're using. Let's bring this back here. All right. So I'm just getting things sorted here. os.read file, and then whoops, and then so that's not the file path. That's just okay. So read file. Maybe just the file path. Maybe not. That could be. So file path player data. So we do file path player data plus file. So that'll be the file that they pick. And eventually I want to do it so it's like dot and then txt or dot dat, I think is what I put, so that we don't have to like, so they don't have to type that at the end, if that makes sense. So maybe we just do that now. Well, no, not yet. We'll do it later. We'll just make sure this thing works first off. So read file, we have to assign that, so like file equals that. I'm gonna go back to the docs. Good idea? Yeah. String. So apparently we can just throw this in a, we could just print this, but print, or what am I doing? It's, oh, we'll do a color, whatever. Orange, and then we'll say file, we'll put it in a string format, file, and then just save everything. Then we can try and run it. We'll save that, quit it. We'll bring this up a bit. Let's go. Go main. Go. Run this. Not in go root. Player manager not in go root. Oh, because we moved it. Right. So we gotta do slash managers, and then it should work. Okay, yeah, well, we got it now. Okay. Okay, use of untyped nil, undefined player selected. Right, so that's because we changed some things. Yeah, I see. Alright, so just player. No. It's just player like that. Player.name. And then. Okay, so these are in a few spots. Oh, I see. Okay. So we just got a slow format thing. Player. And here, yeah. Player. It's probably a way to format these all at once. But again, kind of lazy, so I gotta learn how to do that eventually though. So all right, so that should get rid of the errors. Use of untyped nil 17.5 here. Ah, we didn't put an int. So it's that go run main.go. Can I use nil as type int in assignment? Ah, okay. Right, so I think we just have to do like 0 for now. 0. And we gotta remember that we have to convert these back to integers because I turned them into a string so I could put them in the file. Okay, so now I have less errors. Okay, I spelled color wrong, apparently. Page down. Yeah, color rot. Color, alright. It's that. File, mismatch type string. Invalid operation does not equal mismatch type string nil. Oh, because nil is not like a string thing, so do I have a none? Because I want to put this, but like it's kind of weird. We'll do that for now, though. Okay, user input equals file mismatch strings file info. Undefined os.read file. Is it capital F? It's possible. Yeah, it's capital F. Dispatch type string. First file info. All right. One variable. Let me think. I don't know it neither. Yeah. Yeah. I should probably look it up, but I'll look it up real quick. Let me just throw it out there. Underline, in Go. What exactly is it doing? It avoids having to declare all variables for the return values. It's called blank identifier. Returns 3 values. So it's literally for that specific thing, I think. It's when it returns more than one value. If it works, don't touch it. Yeah, right. That's what I'm trying to, yeah. Pretty poggers. Hey man, welcome to the stream, yeah. I appreciate you stopping by, and that follow button means a lot. Right now we're building a Go FPS, if you're wondering. Not a FPS, a RPG. That would be a little bit more complicated, but yeah, it's going good. Main.go. File name undefined. Interesting. I should put like a number for my following, like my followers. I feel like I should like have something like, I don't know, up in the corner or something, like, so it kind of shows my follower count, but that's something to discuss later, you know, later down the road. Yeah, we're using Golang, by the way, Snorks, if you're wondering. Let's see. So why is the file.name not allowing us? Type error has no field or method name. Maybe it's because I'm using the underscore. Wait, oh yeah, because, well, first of all, we don't want to like selected file. And we want to, so yeah, okay. Because those are like two different variables. We should have selected file. Let's just throw that in there. Let's type string. I'm gonna make color red. Maybe we convert it. String. I thought you were muted, but I muted on the stream. Yeah, man. Sorry. Oh yeah. Welcome to the stream, man. Thanks for the follow and all that. That's kind of what I said. But yeah, we're using Go. We're making a Go RPG, and it's console based. And I'm new to the language, so I'm kind of starting off with something a little more simple, not too crazy or anything like that. So Let's do this. Cannot convert selected file to type string. Apparently it's type error. Oh. I think there must be like an error that's coming through or something. Because I think in Go you're supposed to handle errors yourself. Could be wrong on that. Ubuntu is your main distro? Yes, it is very much my main. I'm actually pretty new to Linux. I just got this like a few weeks ago, so right now I've been enjoying it a lot. So, what about you, Snorks? Do you use Linux? Selected file. Maybe we do 4 items in selected file. Let's try that. Where items in selected? Selected. Selected file. Oh, I'm using Python actually format. 4 items. Range file. In the moment, no, because of school, I have my stuff there. Ah, okay. Interesting. Selected. Or just 2 items. Are you in college, by the way, Snorks? I'm guessing you are. Use it, NeoVim? Yeah, man. I'm kind of new to it though. I've only been using it for like a few weeks, but I've been really enjoying it. And welcome to the stream, Code Notes. It's a pleasure to have you here. Type error. Issue. Sorry, hi. Yeah. No, man, no worries. I love the questions. Yeah, I've been loving NeoVim though. Do you use NeoVim, by the way? File name gets the file title plus extension. It's just the title. I don't know if we need a pen.dat or in the story file. So I think, yeah, file.name gets the extension. I'm pretty sure, because when I printed it out, it had the .dat file. So yeah, I'm pretty sure should be good. Yeah. I might be wrong, but I'm pretty sure I've tested that. I should have, at least. So yeah, we're getting an error here. I think what we need to do, just clear all this, and then we, because I know you have to do something like that, and then we, college and university are the same thing. I think so. Yeah. Yeah. There might be like a difference, but I don't care too much, I guess. Yeah, but if you're in either, yeah. Let's do a variable. But what file? I don't know if we need a thing here. Error does not equal no. Then we system dot. Oh, FMT, right? The print ln. Oops. It's here. And then we do. I think that in America it's called high school. Oh. Okay. Yeah, I mean. Yeah, where are you from then? Because that might give me some context of like. Because like, for us, college and university is like what happens after high school. So, Portugal, okay. Yeah, I'm not sure then. But yeah, we have like 12 grades and then, you know, we have college after, so, or university, whatever you want to call it. Also, thanks for the follow. I appreciate it. I really appreciate that. Clear but not used. Okay, wait, maybe that's good. So we can, we'll do an FMT print instead of a color one because it might be a bit better. Selected file. Can I use nil as type in assignment? Where is that? Let me see. $13. Okay, so. Oh, it's in main. Okay. Oh, wait, so we're good, I think. I think we fixed that. Well, we have to check it first, but yeah, I forgot to, okay, yeah, here we go. I guess we just had to handle the error. That makes sense. Select character file, fender.dat. See, you can see here, Magistrato, that it does show the .dat. Do you program for fun? Yes. I've been programming since I was like 12. And I'm 19 now, so I've been programming a while. Mainly for fun, and also I want to go into it as a career, so. Oh, that's what I'm going to college for, so, yeah. Okay, so here we go. That's what we got. We got numbers, okay. I'm starting programming because of school. Okay, cool. Use any documentation? I do, yes. You talking about like just stuff on the web? That's what I use. Yeah, Magistrato would know definitely more about that stuff than me. Okay, so we got a bunch of data and stuff here. I'm not sure exactly what that stuff means. I think. Maybe. Possibly. You can seek to a known location in the file and read from there. Okay. So we're gonna try some more file reading stuff. FMT print line selected file dot seek and 6. Maybe that'll work. think 60. 60. Go run. Type arrows, no field or seek. Okay. Oh, it's because I didn't open it. That's why. So I have to actually open the file itself. Because I guess it's not, it's just reading it, it's not opening it. So file equals os.open, and then we do selected file. Selected file. Let's just make sure. I think, yeah. So actually, yeah, that's weird. Okay. Because this is reading the file, I feel like I should get back some sort of data from that. Because opening and reading is like a different thing. And Go. Going, reading, file, line by line. Here we go. Scanner. No. Make sure to. Okay, here we go. Path to file. I know Rust is like super popular too. I'm learning Python, but I want to learn Rust. Ah, okay. Yeah, I love Python. I've done a lot of stuff in Python. I love working with like APIs and stuff in Python, especially. Just like data. It's really good for that. Print line. Yeah, I thought about learning Rust as well, but I decided to go with Golang, because I feel like it's like newer. Actually, what was Go even? Golang. History. Yeah, it was made in 2007 at Google, apparently. So it's pretty new. Kind of noob in programming. That's all. It's all good, man. I guess I would call myself a noob in this language, but like in programming in general, I feel like I've done a decent amount. Wow, Go is so young. I know it's brand new. It's interesting. I don't think it was really popular until like the last few years, though. I guess that's when it really took off. I could be wrong though. Alright, so file, selected file dot seek. I gotta make sure I'm doing this right. Alright, and then we can print that. Yep, you're probably right. Yes. Yep. Because I didn't hear about it until, I think the first time I heard about it was like 2 years ago. And then I kind of just never looked at it, but oh yeah. Great. fmt.print line file Hmm. I think we need to have an error thing like that. Type error has no field or method seek. Hmm. Yeah, I'm thinking about making some like YouTube content, but I'm still not sure. Because editing like takes a lot of work. If you guys have like never kind of dabbled in it, it's a very lengthy process if you want to make a good video. It's like you could spend like 6 to 9 hours editing a video, like easily. Just takes up a lot of time and like dedication, you know. But if I make like short videos, I might do that. Because I've always wanted to get into the more like creator thing. Because that's kind of like my background is like editing and like things like that. I work in a photography studio, and I'm around production all the time. It's like weird how I've just never really like done it myself, you know. Uh, I kind of just feel like eventually I would have like, um, I will kind of do more of that stuff, but I don't know. We'll see. Did my... Holy crap. My whole computer just like went crazy on me. Are we back? I think we're back. I don't know what just happened, but is my computer okay? My headset just disconnected too. I have an idea of what happened, but I'm not entirely sure. I might have hit the sleep button on my computer because it's kind of really easy to hit, so. I thought it was my connection. No. No. That is mine. Yeah. Yeah, everything looks good on my end now. I got scared there for a second. I don't want the stream to stop or anything. But yeah, we should be fine. I need to like remove the sleep key in my, or just like change it, because it's right next to my escape key and I use that for Vim all the time, so I need to fix that, definitely. Let's see. Yeah, that was scary. I thought my computer just died on me, just like out of a couple weeks. Use a laptop? Yeah, right now I am. I so I used to use a desktop for like developing stuff, but I think I'm gonna install Linux on that too, actually, because so I have a lot of things like I've spent a lot of money on just like tech crap, but basically I have a desktop that I used to use for gaming. Now I don't really, and I have a laptop that I use for gaming now, and it's stronger than my actual desktop, so that's kind of why. And so that's why I'm thinking about just having a developer desktop as well. But I like having all my developer stuff like on one system, if that makes sense. I know I can use like GitHub to like transfer and stuff, but it just makes it a bit easier if it's just all in one place and there won't be any other issues. Yeah, it's a little small. Like it's pretty powerful though. It's as a Ryzen 7. It has like integrated graphics and all that. I think it can be used for gaming too, but I don't really use it for that. So, but I do have Minecraft installed just in case things get crazy. Okay, seek. Right. Type error has no field or method seek. Alright. Yes, we need to figure this out. Okay, so open. So what this person's doing, the thing I'm reading is like the document is saying it's doing this instead of what I was doing before. I don't know if it matters because it doesn't seem like it, but f.seek. Seek is undefined. There's also read. Let me just copy this. Let me just yoink this real quick. So we'll keep the error there. There. Okay, file. Selected file. Dot read. And probably has to be a byte or something. I'm a little fed up of gaming. Yeah, I feel that, to be honest. What are you fed up by specifically? I'm just like, I'm kind of tired of it, if that makes sense. It's like it takes up a lot of my time, or it kind of used to. It's really good at making people like less productive. I mean, I like games for like taking breaks, but like I used to play a lot more than I do now. Like I used to play like all day, every day. And I guess it helped with like making games because I kind of know like what to do to make the player like enjoy certain things. But yeah, it's not like the same as it used to be, you know. Read. Type error has no. I keep getting the same thing. We just remove that. We're all in the same situation. Yeah, apparently. Yeah, I have a lot of friends too that like they're always telling me to like get on or like, you know. But the thing is like when you look at games at the end of the day, it's like you're not gaining anything. Like it's for entertainment, and it's like their goal is to make you think you're like, you know, getting better at their game and like leveling up and like, you know, you're making it. But I don't know. I played so many games. It's like it's too easy to get sucked in and just to like kind of not do anything for a while. So yeah, games are they're good and bad. So type error has no field or method read. I wonder if it's because it's giving me an error, but because we have this error. I think undefined error. Okay, yeah, maybe we just remove this for now. Just two values. Assignment mismatch. Mismatch. Type error is no field. Okay, see, it's doing the same thing now. No method read. Should though. Byte 5 read. Alright, let's do this. They're doing check error as well. I don't know if it'll know what that is, but select a file that read. Oh wait, this is down here now. So read is working now. Check error. Okay. Undefined check. Okay. Yeah, it's just saw that. What am I looking at then? I don't get what this is. Oh, he added a function called check. That makes sense. I mean, I could add something like that. Makes it a bit easier. We do plus. We gotta do this in the plus. Wait. Okay. Oh, I had it. Plus B. There we go. We got it pasted. So that'll check that. I don't know what panic does. I'm kind of scared of that. So now it checks for the error. Check. Error. Okay, wait, that worked. What? I kind of sketched out on this. I don't know if it actually worked or not. I don't know. let's clear this and we'll build main.go. And then clear that. And we'll do main. Alright, so this is. Alright, so we have select fender dot dat 5. Wait, what did I do? Shit. Okay, what did I read? I don't even know what I read. Let's look at the file itself here.